Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to program a GMC Acadia key fob using a straightforward and easy method. First, gather every single key fob you wish to program, including any that already work with your vehicle. It is also important to ensure your vehicle's battery has sufficient power for the process. Then, get into the driver's seat and close all the vehicle doors to begin this simple procedure. Next, insert a working key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. This action allows you to access the Driver Information Center on your dashboard. Use the Vehicle Information button to scroll through the available options until you clearly see the message "Press to relearn Remote KEY" displayed. This indicates your vehicle is ready for the next crucial step. Now, press the Set/Reset button until the display clearly shows Remote KEY Learning active. Take your first key fob and simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons for approximately 15 seconds. You will then hear an audible chime, which confirms that this specific key fob has been successfully programmed to your Acadia. Remember, you can program a maximum of 8 remotes. To complete the programming process and exit the learning mode, simply turn the ignition key to the OFF position and then remove it from the ignition. This action will finalize all the programming steps. Finally, it is essential to test each of your newly programmed key fobs to confirm that all functions, such as locking and unlocking doors, work correctly and reliably. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.